Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Discord account. For that, you need to log on to your browser and go to discord.com/login. When you go to this screen, click on register. Then you should type the required credentials. Every credential that is an asterisk is required and you must type it. So I type my credentials. I choose not to type the display name for now. After you do that, Discord asks for a confirmation. Account is created, Discord redirects you to its main screen and from where you can join your servers. And this is how you can create a Discord account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.